Welcome back. Now we will be discussing the same bullish spread strategy, but now with the help of put. How can we do a bullish spread strategy with the help of a put? As we discussed earlier, any bullish spread strategy will involve buying an option at a lower strike price and selling an option at a higher strike price. So in case of put strategy also, we will first buy a put at a lower strike price and selling a put at a higher strike price, which will then result in a bullish spread strategy using puts. Let's have a look.
So over here also the Nifty spot is say 10,360, and these are the different call premiums and put premiums which we can see over here. So when we carry out the spread strategy, we buy a put option at a lower strike price. So we buy 10,350 put option by paying a premium of 95 rupees, and simultaneously we sell a put option over here at a higher strike price. So 10,450 put option we sell by receiving a premium of 147 rupees. So in this case, as we can see that we are receiving premium, a net premium at the beginning of the strategy. That is 147 rupees minus 95, which is 52. So we have a net premium inflow of 52 rupees. Let us have a look at the payoff of different option legs at expiry. So at expiry, suppose if the price is 10,550 rupees, what happens to our put option? 10,350 put option lapse. So we lose 95 rupees premium. Simultaneously 10,450 put option will also lapse because the spot price is higher than the exercise price, and we gain 147 rupees, the premium which we had received at the time of entering into the strategy. So the net profit which we earn from this would be 147 premium which we received and 95 premium which we lost, giving a total of 52 rupees profit. Now suppose if the price is 10,400 on expiry, so 10,350 put again lapses, we lose 95 rupees, and 10,450 put option is exercised. So we have a total payoff of 97 rupees from this option leg. So the total strategy will give us 95 rupees loss, 97 rupees profit, a total of 2 rupees profit. And suppose if the price falls to 10,250, what happens? 10,350 put option is exercised. Profit earned from 10,350 put option is 5 rupees. 10,450 put is also exercised. Loss incurred from 10,450 put is minus 53. So the total profit is minus 48. So the loss incurred from this strategy is 48 rupees. As we can also see again from this payoff diagram, we have a limited profit of 52 rupees and limited loss of 48 rupees from this strategy. So how do we calculate it? So the minimum loss which we incur is spread minus maximum profit. And what is the maximum profit? Maximum profit will be net premium inflow. So the net premium inflow is 147 rupees minus 95 as discussed earlier, which comes to 52 rupees. So the maximum loss would be spread. Spread is 100 rupees minus maximum profit, which is 52. So 100 minus 52, which is 48. That is the maximum loss from this strategy. The break-even point would be lower strike price plus the maximum loss. So 10,350 plus maximum loss of 48 rupees, making it a break-even point of 10,398, where we have no profit, no loss. So as we can see here, a bullish spread strategy can be carried out using either call or put. We have a fixed profit, fixed loss, which can be quickly calculated from these parameters: the premium, the spread, and the strike price. Thank you.